Yo, yo, yo! What's up, man? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Jerodix TV. Here we go again, guys. For today's video, I'm so excited again to react another requested Manipur music. And I'm not sure, guys, if this is a rap or this is a hip-hop music because this is my first time to react from this channel. So the one who requests this music video is Sheikh Haber Hossein and Creative India. They want me to react this music with the title of Demand by Sabir Ahmed. And of course, the owner of this video, guys, is also Sabir Ahmed. So, guys, by the way, the singer here is Bashar Kami and, of course, Sabir Ahmed again. Wow. I'm so excited, guys. So, before we start, guys, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and don't forget to hit that bell button for more latest update on my channel. So, without further ado, guys, let's get now and watch this video. Woo! Wow, Demand.
I like the way you're moving, girl, you are a bomb.
Wow!
I tell you something, girl, you are a bomb.
Oh my
I'm
god!
done with all these girls, but I think you're the one.
Woo!
I'm done with my lake eye, these girls are
I like it, guys. I like it.
Your lake eye girls are proud to be from Hatta. They are from Hatta. As long as what I want.
Oh yeah.
All I want,
You
man.
are the one
That's
I
good,
want.
man. That's
Oh,
very,
yeah.
very good music.
Cause you are not demand. Cause I'm moving home and I'm driving from Golapati to Lilongpi. And I don't need to be so clean. Cause if I know no low I know. Cause I'm moving home and I'm driving from Golapati to Lilongpi. And I don't need to be so clean. Cause if I know no low I know.
In the street when I'm walking with my crew, I don't wanna go, especially with
Oh
you.
my
Cause
goodness.
you act so demand like a superstar. Just because you got few followers on Instagram. Look at me, you chicken it. I don't like your skin color. I like black, I'm racist. You don't even know who the hell I am. I am BenK, I am so famous. I got 500 views on YouTube, you fool. You have got nothing, still you act so cool. I'm the top hot superstar. And the little on the beat is a cute
Star, yeah.
You are the one I want.
Oh yeah.
I don't wanna
Cause you
wow,
are
yeah.
not demand. Cause I'm moving home
You
and
are
I'm
not
driving from
demand.
Golapati to the Lilongpi. And I don't need to be so clean. Cause if I know no low I know. Cause I'm moving home and I'm driving from Golapati to the Lilongpi. And I don't need to be so clean. Cause if I know no low I know. I don't want to break your
Wow.
heart.
I love it, guys. I love this Manipur rap music.
But you keep acting so demand. Demand, not bargain. All I wanna do is kick you alive. Punch in the face and tell you to relax. Cause that's how you treated me, I tell you the fact. Yeah, baby, yeah, you're a sinister menace. You're gonna finish the genius, you're gonna finish missing it, you're gonna boom. Gonna finish my life. I'll tell you the fact that I'll be dying twice. Cause I'm moving home and I'm driving from Golapati to the Lilongpi. And I don't need to be so clean. Cause if I know no low I know. Cause I'm moving home and I'm driving from Golapati to the Lilongpi. And I don't need to be so clean. Cause if I know no low I know.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Sabir Ahmed, BenK. Wow.
Woo.
Cause I'm moving home and I'm driving from Golapati to
Oh.
the video si loy ni
Look at
video da magta ma parong ko ham magta da sagat chari video si da Golapati palle li rom pi palle na hatheng na moi bu karem na ban traga moi bu sitha banate ma amna description da piri ba lyrics
I don't understand, bro. Sorry.
lok na yaw da bani nuksina ba kaina bagi na traga nuksina bagi romantic ki isai makhal ma lai du maina si su isai makhal ma ne na khallaga ma enjoy to view ma enjoy to birong ne su thajai Magiming Bashar Kamil Yamna BenK na khangna bani whole isai se mana loin ibani lyrics su composition everything mana loin to bani ma se talent yamna leiba ko adu bu yamna sak khangna da aduna ai gi video sigi through the mayam bu sak khangan bani magi hojik subscriber kya lai nang subscriber
khara adum
Okay, so my subscribers, my YouTube channel, ano bane haurai se, magi channel da ikoi Sabir Ahmed ki family में amna changaga, magi channel da subscribe to biro, aduga numit khani matung da subscribers se cam yo buno do yenge, ai Sabir Ahmed family ki power yeng ninge, abadi noi me am ai nung siri du maina, masu cam nung siba ngam mono do yeng ninge aduna, ai title da mention tarongani my channel do na my ming do de click to da magi channel da dum yorani, natraga description do say my channel ki link pi jarang ke do dum click to my channel subscribe to be. Okay, so you wanna say something?
Subscribe to Mr. Sabir Ahmed and subscribe to my channel. I have already released like 10 other songs before, which I'll be re-uploading on my new YouTube channel, so you guys can go check it out. And I'm support of you, like of you, share of you. Thank you.
Very good. Good.
Yeah, very good. Well, you know how to speak in English. Why did you not speak it in English? Oh my goodness. But anyway, guys, I'm so happy with this. I don't know, guys, if this is a money for rap music, guys. Because, you know, the one who performed here, just like, he is like a Muslim, guys. What's the name of this guy? Bashar Kamil and Sabir Ahmed. Are you a Muslim, guys? Even though you are a Muslim, guys, or not, for me, guys, this is a very amazing performance that I never seen before. Especially you are a Muslim, guys, and this is my first time, guys, to watch a performer with the Muslim artist or Muslim rapper. So if I'm not, or if I'm mistaken, guys, if you are not a Muslim or you are a Muslim, guys, just continue, guys, and just keep it up. I know someday you'll become a famous rapper, guys. And I pray for that and I promote for that. I will share this video to my country so that they know that there is like you, that very talented rapper, guys. So I'm so thankful also for the artists here, Bashar Kamil and Sabir Ahmed. Thank you so much, guys, for this performance that you are performing today. And also, I just want to thank also the man who requested this, Sheikh Habir Hussein. Yes, this is also a Muslim name. Wow. Creative India. Thank you so much, guys, for this request. I'm so enjoying this kind of rap music demand. Alright, guys, I'm sure that you are enjoying this kind of rap music, and if you like this music, guys, please give this a lot of thumbs up. Alright, and don't forget to like and share to your families and friends. So before we end this reaction of video, make sure that you're subscribing my channel and don't forget to hit that bell for more latest update on my channel. So until the next reaction of video, guys, see you there, and I love you. God bless. Bye.